Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find and delete all the viruses on your Android phone if your device is acting weird, running slow or showing any random ads. Don't worry, let's go through the fixes step by step. So first of all, you need to check any kind of suspicious permissions. For that, simply open the settings of your device. In the settings, scroll down, then tap on the option of apps. In the apps, you just have to tap on the option of app management. Now you just have to look for that particular application which you have downloaded recently. After tapping on the application, tap on the option of permission. Now here, look for the apps that have access to the things they shouldn't, like SMS, storage or device admin controls. Now if you find any of the suspicious applications that has allowed these types of permissions on its own, you just have to revoke anything that you feel is unusual. So in order to revoke it, you just have to tap on the permission which you want to revoke. After that, you just have to tap on the option of do not allow. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to clear your browser's data. The viruses and the malicious scripts often hide inside browsers. For that, in the apps setting itself, you just have to look for your web browser. So for example, let's say you want to clear the data for your Chrome web browser. So after searching for the Chrome application on your phone, simply tap on the option of storage usage. Over here, tap on the clear cache. After that, tap on the option of clear data. Now doing this, you just have to restart your phone in the safe mode. For that, simply press and hold the power button. Then you need to tap and hold the power off button. In my device, the option comes when I basically swipe this circle in the bottom. As you can see, I have the power off option. So you need to power off your device in the safe mode. If your phone works normally in the safe mode, a third-party application is likely causing the issue. So now you need to review your installed applications once again. For that, you just have to basically sort all of the applications out by the installed. Now you need to look for any of the unknown or strange application. If you find anything suspicious, simply tap on it and tap on the option of uninstall here. So you need to uninstall the application immediately. So you can try all of these methods on your Android device and you will be able to easily find and delete the viruses on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.